Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know that it's our English class on Zoom online classes and it's our upcoming lecture. So we have read the unit. As you know that we have read the unit number 3, page number 14. Okay, so, and the name of the unit was weighing in elephant. Elephant ko weight karna. As you know that elephant is such a large animal. So, now here we have some book exercises of this unit. So let's see that what is coming up in our book exercises. Okay. This is unit number 3, page number 17, and the page is word study. As you can see that it is word study. Here we have some exercises, and the first exercise is about synonyms. And do you know what are synonyms? As you read in the unit some of the difficult words and you have written the meanings of those words, and most of the words have 2 or more than 2 meanings. So the same meanings of a word is called the synonyms. Okay, the same meaning of the word is called synonym. So here we have some. Now we are going to do exercise A. Exercise A, comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the same as those in the table. So let's see that which words are given here. Here we have some words just like longer. You can see the word longer, unfortunate, speedily, softly, huge, unselfish, dreadful, superb, kind, and fiercely. Now these are the words which you have to find the same meanings in the column. Just like I have made a chart for you people, we have the words here. Okay, we have the words here. Now just like number 1, fantastic, awful, unlucky, caring, generous, massive, quickly, further, gently, and viciously. So you have to find out the same meanings in this column. Just like fantastic mean superb, awful mean dreadful, unlucky, unfortunate. Caring mean, another meaning of caring is unselfish. And the word generous mean kind, polite. Okay, massive mean huge. You can say in the sense of weight, when you check something and it has heavy, so you can say that it is massive or huge. Then number 7 is quickly, speedily, further, longer, gently, softly, politely. Once again you can say that you can write politely here. Viciously mean dangerous, fierce, जो बहुत खतरनाक होता है. Clear? So next exercise is about the vocabulary. Ring the odd one numbers. Ring the odd one number. So here we have unit 3, exercise B, page is 17, and the exercise is about your vocabulary. Means this with the help of this exercise you can develop your vocabulary. Just like we have here some group of words and we have to find out the odd one in those lists. Just like you can say ring the odd one out in each list, means कि आपने इन लिस्ट में odd one को फाइंड आउट करना है कि वो कौन सा एक वर्ड जो है हर लिस्ट में बहुत डिफरेंट आपको नज़र आ रहा है. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन से डॉल्फिन, वेल, डंकी, शार्क, टोना एंड सैमन. The word which is highlighted is not a fish, but the rest of the words are the name of fish. All of these are fish, but you can see that this word is donkey. So is it a fish? No, it is not a fish. In the next, you can see that here we have a list of words: grass, door, floor, window, ceiling and shelf. Now as you can see that the highlighted word is not belonging to the house. Clear? So मतलब ये बिल्डिंग की बात हो रही है. बिल्डिंग में आपको डोर, फ्लोर, विंडो, सीलिंग एंड शेल्फ मिलेंगे, बट ग्रास जो है वो नेसेसरी नहीं है. ठीक, तो दिस वन इज odd one. Now here we have some parts of bicycle, just like saddle, the seat of the rider, bicycle, handlebar, saucepan, wheel and tire. These are the words. Now you can see the odd one here, just like saucepan. Now in the next, feathers, wings, beak, nest, tail, head. Now all these are the parts of body of a bird, but it is a living place, so it is odd one. Now in the next list we have some words: dog, tail, cow, donkey, horse and goat. All these animals have a tail, so you can say that all these are animals, but it is a body part, so it is odd one in this list. Now in the next list we have a word: cabbage, carrot, chocolate, broccoli and tomato and peas. Now you can say that chocolate seems odd in this list because these are the vegetables and chocolate is something else. Now in the next list you can see that here we have a highlighted word: mice. So let's see that what are the rest of the words: raisins, milk, sugar, butter and flour. All these are the things which we eat, but mice is something different. So in the next line we have wave, water, tide, bun, sail and boat. So bun is something different in this list. So you can see that. Now here we have another exercise, that is exercise C, and you have given here the letter and, one, at and ARK. ठीक, आपने क्या करना है, आपने you have to make new words with the help of these letters. यानी कि आपके इन वर्ड लिस्ट में एंड पे आप देख सकते हैं कि एंड में ये वाले लेटर आपने पुट करके न्यू वर्ड ऐड करने हैं. यू कैन मेक एनी 5 words, but I have written here some more words for you. Now the next exercise is here for you, and that is the storyline. You have given some words here and you have to write a small or a short story with the help of these words. Just like you can say that all these words we have to use to write a short story. Just like as in the blanks you can see I have written some words for you. Okay, saggy mean और लूज फिटिंग स्किन. ठीक, जो एलिफेंट की स्किन होती है दैट इज़ लूज फिटिंग स्किन. नाउ एलिफेंट हैज़ ट्रंक्स इन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ वाटर. सो स्प्रे, द एलिफेंट स्प्रे वाटर with its trunk to Cool itself. Okay, here we have a word to cool itself. It is difficult to wait in elephant because it is so big. An ordinary weighing scales would be too short to weight such an elephant or such a large elephant. Clear? So now I have another exercise here for you, that here we have a word elephant and you have to make any 10 words with the help of these letters. आपने क्या करना है, इस word में जितने भी letters यूज़ हुए हैं आपने उनसे 10 वो न्यू वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. आप लेटर को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, बट कीप इन माइंड के द लेटर मस्ट बी दोज विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन दिस वर्ड एलिफेंट. कोई लेटर इसमें ना हो तो आपने उसका वर्ड आपका क्रॉस हो जाएगा. आपने वही लेटर यूज़ करने हैं जो इसमें दिए हुए हैं. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ this was our today's summary lecture. Hopefully you will be clear about the exercises which we have to do on our books. Clear? So dear student, that was all about today's lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.